In my last video, I was saying how I wanted to do something on my channel, something different in my videos to make my channel be different than everybody else's. And this is it. In each of my videos, I'm going to put something funny in the beginning just to make you guys laugh. So my first project today is boho style mirror. And first thing I'm going to do is take this mirror from Dollar Tree and a mop head from Dollar Tree. And I believe you've probably seen somebody do this before. I think I've seen somebody do it. I'm not sure who, but I believe somebody did do this. So I just took the mirror and I painted it. I painted it linen in the Waverly chalk paint. And then I just flipped it over and I just put the pieces of mop head in there. I hot glued them in. I flipped it back over, cut them down, and then I separated them. I unraveled them. Then, like I said, I cut them down to make them shorter because, of course, they didn't look right as long as they were. So I cut them down all the way around, and this is my finished product. So project number 2, guys, I don't know, I'm in a springy kind of mood. I can't wait for spring. So I wanted to make something like upbeat. I don't know. I make what I like to make. And I wanted to make something in yellow and bright and cheery. So I said, let me make a wall decor and let me make a flower. So I just got some yellow vinyl and I looked on my Silhouette Studio and I bought this design. Printed it, put this vinyl ease backing on it. Guys, look how easy this comes off. I can't say enough good things about it. Then I decided I wanted to make a frame for it. So I just got some paint sticks that I got from Lowe's and I cut them down, put them all around. I was going to leave it like this, but then I decided to stain them. So I use this stain. I think it's dark walnut gel, though. I really like the gel. I like how it goes on and it lasts long. Then I put it together. I just used hot glue. I didn't use any nails or anything. I just glued it right to the piece of wood that I was working with. Guys, I don't know what it is, but I'm scared to death of my table saw. I'm just so afraid to use it, so that's why I'm using the paint sticks instead of the bigger pieces. Here's my finished project. Okay, guys, project number 3, last but not least, is just a little jar that I found at Goodwill. I went yesterday, I just picked up a couple little things. My daughter's been into baking, so I got her some, baking stuff that looked brand new. And I found this cute little jar, and of course I'm using the baking soda method. Now, I just eye it. I just use... All you need to know is that you just want to make your paint a little bit thicker. And you can eye it because you want to make it as thick as you want to make it. So just the thicker it is, the more, texture it'll have. But you don't want to make it too thick because then it'll be real, clumpy. Okay, so I just painted this jar real quick. And then, as you'll see, I start filming it done, and I decide, no, it's not done. It needs something else. So I went on my silhouette, and here's how it came out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please hit that subscribe button, and if you liked it, hit the like button. Have a good day, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.